Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is April. This is Plan with April. I know, a little sing-songy, never hurt anybody. Well, maybe. So, it is the beginning of May. It's gonna be May. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do a monthly layout in my A5 composition notebook. So, I'm struggling because I could do 1/2-inch boxes, but I just don't think that's going to give me enough to do what I want to do. So, if I did 1-inch and I was like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, break, Saturday, and Sunday on this page here, that might work. I don't like the idea of having like this huge split. So I could also start, let's pencil this in. Actually, you know what? Let's just go for it. We're gonna go for it. It's gonna be May. So let's do one there, one there, one there, one there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I'm gonna have to scooch because that is not on the paper. Sunday, is that right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Perfect. Perfect. And then come up a row. This is not going to be even, and that is fine. It's completely fine. And then I'm going to go from 5 to 8, and then scooch that over 1. That's not a full inch. I'm not sure how I already messed it up, but I did. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So 5 to 8 is going to work out fine. And then 4 to 1, right? 5 to 8, 4 to 1. Is anybody else confused? Am I confusing anyone else? Anyone? Anyone? 8 to 5, 4 to 1. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Or how many? Yeah, let's keep going. Let's just keep this up. 5 to 8. 5 to 8, 4 to 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this last one here will give us our 5th. So 8 to 5, 4 to 1. This is so darn confusing. And then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to do 1, right? And then 1, and then, did I do this wrong? Did I do this wrong? Because this has to be, I'm whispering. That's what I do when I go into panic mode. I whisper. The great thing is this is a, oh, wow. What was that? This is just a composition notebook. It's $1. So I'm not hurting anyone or anything if I mess this up. It's all going to be fine. Did I want to go clear over this way? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I have to because I didn't count correctly. Oh my gosh, what is happening today? Look at this. April. Oh no. So this is going to look very handmade. Not intentionally, but because I obviously am struggling right now to get the lines down. Okay, so I'm going to bring this in just a tiny bit. It's because I'm not turning my planner. I'm trying to be lazy. And I am succeeding. I am successful. This is not lining up, but it's okay. Remember, we are not going for perfection. We are going for controlling the chaos. Okay, this looks amazingly messy. So, now what? Let's go in here. What do I want to do for May? I want something bright and pretty and like, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do these two. I'm liking those two together. I'm not liking that. Let's do these two together, and then let's pop in a lighter pink. Perfect. Okay. It's all going to be great. It's going to be, I'm going to show you how to do some doodle flowers. We're going to fix this. Excuse me. I'm going to go up here. These are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Got those in there. That's perfect. And then in the background, I'm going to do just, we're going to make these into flowers. Into flowers. Into flowers. Let's get some of these over here. Ooh, those are pretty. That's a beautiful yellow. I do love the Tombow yellows. They make such beautiful, beautiful colors. They're just going to be flowers, more flowers, more flowers. This is the Tombow, what is this number? 991. The Tombow 991. Thank you for choosing the Tombow 991. Now I'm going to go in with my Paper Mate Ink Joy Gel 0.7. I'm just going to write in here Monday, 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 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, good old Friday, Friday, Saturday, a little Sean Connery there, you're welcome. And then Sunday. You know what? I'm also going to go in with the Tombow 312. Am I going in with the Tombow 312? Let me look. Let me grab the other Tombow I have because I don't know which one is going to be more green. It's going to be green. The 192. 192. I'm just going to go in. I'm going to draw some leaves because why not? We're doing a spread with flowers. We need to add leaves. And I'm just doing hearts or just a single leaf if I feel like it. Bum, bum. Dun, dun. Oh, that one got a little carried away, but that's fine. That's all good. Okay, starts on Wednesday. Wednesday is the first day, and we have how many days in May? 31. So let's go in here. We're just going to date these. 5. We're going to stop every once in a while and make sure that the 21st is actually on a Tuesday. I cannot tell you, that's my game show host. I cannot tell you how many times I have dated a blank calendar and I get to the end and I'm like, that's not how it's supposed to work out. You guys have actually seen it when I have added calendar days, like I've skipped a number and then it ends up on the wrong day. So let's just double check. The 31st should be a Friday. It is. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. I want to go back in and I want to fill out the flowers because it's going to be May is a real thing, but I'm first going to grab my N35 Tombow. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to write in May. Let's zhuzh it up a bit. zhuzhed. And then, because I know we need to do a little doodly do. While I have the marker out, I'm just gonna doodly do. And I'm just making little dots as I feel like it. Like there's no rhyme or reason. Just do bum 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 bum. Perfect. There might be some areas that need more bumps, and that's fine. You can totally add those. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's add the flowers. These are what I like to call a doodle flower. There's lots of different ways you can do them. You can do swirly flowers. Today we're going to do two different kinds. We're going to do a cloud version. So we're just going to draw an open cloud. These remind me of like peonies, however you say them. And then I'm going to go in, I'm going to draw a little circle in here, put a few dots in there, and then I'm just going to come out and I'm going to do 5 beautiful little leaves, right? So pretty. And then we're going to go in here and we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and that's where our little base stem is. So stinking cute. And this guy's going to get a little circle. And let's go back in here. I need to also do leaves are easy. Leaves are easy. Perfect. Let's do another. Do I want to do? Yeah, let's do a circle. You can hear Stark outside. Just a second, buddy. I'm almost done. He's like, are you, Mom, or are you just telling me that? Perfect. And then I'm feeling like this one is also perfect. I like it. Let's do a big center here. I hear you, buddy. I really hear you. It's a good thing it's not raining out, or I would feel horrible. It's not raining. It's a beautiful day. Because this one's so big, I'm going to add a few little textures. Add a couple textures over there as well. Another leaf. Love it. So really that's all there is to it to make these flowers. And I don't know about you, but I think they look so pretty. Like they're very pretty. Let's go with some fatter leaves here. And this one. Do a couple leaves there. Let's do a small circle. A little zhuzh. And then for this one, because not every flower has to be perfect. Am I right? So what started off as a layout that was a little chaotic and not really lined up really well, I like how this turned out. Plus, you learned how to make 3 different flowers and some leaves just doodling. So win-win, right? Excuse all the sloppy lines here. This will be the May. It's gonna be May. I love you. I hope you have the best day. Let me know if you try the doodle flowers in your layout. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.